Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to download and install macOS Big Sur, the latest version of the Mac operating system. Before installing any upgrade, it's a good idea to back up your Mac. Now, first of all, we have to click on the Apple logo, and then we have to click on About this Mac. Here you can see the currently installed version on macOS. Now here you have to click on Software Update. Software Update Utility Checking Available Update for you. And here you can see I am getting a macOS Big Sur update. So here simply you have to click on Upgrade now. It takes time to download and install macOS, so make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. If you're using a Mac notebook computer, plug it into AC power. According to macOS Big Sur developers, macOS Big Sur elevates the most advanced desktop operating system in the world to a new level of power and beauty. Experience Mac to the fullest with a refined new design. Enjoy the biggest Safari update ever. Discover new features for maps and messages. And get even more transparency around your privacy. After downloading, the installer opens automatically. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions. You might find it easiest to begin installation in the evening so that it can complete overnight if needed. You have to accept the agreement. Now if you have multiple drives in your Mac you have to choose one, or if you have a single drive just select it. Enter your Mac password here. And now your macOS Big Sur will be installed on the disk which you selected. Please allow installation to complete without putting your Mac to sleep or closing its lid. Your Mac might restart, show a progress bar, or show a blank screen several times as it installs both macOS and related updates to your Mac firmware. Your computer may restart more than once during installation, so be patient. After installing macOS Big Sur, you will be notified when updates to macOS Big Sur are available. You can also use Software Update to check for updates. Choose Apple Menu System Preferences, then click Software Update also. And here you can see after updating macOS, you will get this message, your Mac is up to date. So that is it. This is the way how to upgrade macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.